If I get soon, we're about to jump this. Go.
Dude, go. There, that should work.
About to jump this.
It worked.
We're back. Hey guys, here we go again. It works pretty good.
Move, you're freaking.
I want to move. We want now. No, you're
Sunlight. This thing will probably work with a bike. Let me see. Guys, have an idea how so it works with a bike?
Wait, does it work with the bike?
If we add this to it.
No way.
One last attempt right here. Strider versus ramp. Go!
My turn. Where's my bike?
It works! It works for bikes, Noah. Try it.
We can make it higher. Oh, it's all we get new things.
Here it goes. It works. Oh, I almost just shot my phone. Oh my gosh. Noah, can I try? Here, hold the phone. Hold the phone. I want to try. Here. So you guys know it's
Well, why can't we do it tomorrow? That's how I can my nose bike. Move!
Oh, no.
Don't stand up when you do it. Don't stand up when you're doing it. You mean I'm standing up? Yeah, but you're not. Get hit. Oh, we're not.
My turn. Here, my turn.
What if that only happened to me?
Aiden, you have to ride faster. Here, my turn.
So you have to go fast? Here it goes. Okay, guys, wait.
You freaking hit the curb.
Wait, there?
Yeah.
Guys,
I know.
watch this.
Wait. When you make it like higher.
Yeah. We just keep on going, whoop. Just keep on going.
Yeah.
Not in the air. Oh, there. This is like a way like if you're trying to escape someone and you don't know how to go up the curb that well.
Just like you?
Yeah. And this is how you get away. Guys, hurry up. Get
Take the
out
ramp.
the curb.
Go!
How do you?
Butter.
Oh, my neck.
Is that even worse?
Yep, that's worse. Yeah.
Whoa.
We need stones. There's a bike in the street.
Bike in the street? Where?
That bike's wrong.
It's a car, fool.
I know.
Fool, who you think you are? You think you are, fool?
Can do the
Be right back.